Hello everyone, this is Dom, and welcome to our Towny server. The Towny server can be found at towny.happydiggers.net as the IP. No port number required. Bye. We play on here with approximately, a good set of people. I just wanted to make this little short video to update on the new map and a couple of the features if you are new to the server. The website will be in the description. Our website has a forum and such, also has links to our other servers and other features such as our D.A.M.P map, which is a actively rendered map of your position and the blocks in the world. That's a web browser feature. Okay, let me go over what's up with here. This is what we call, or what has been called, Valley Springs. Thank you, Noob. Noob Miner is the person who came up with the name. This is the spawn town. Within this house over here is all of our traders. On this Towny server, we use now a physical money system, so we use emeralds actually, and I set up all these traders have specific sales and all that stuff. If you've never been on a Towny server before with an economy, go ahead and look up some of the commands at the Towny website, Towny Advanced website. Okay, and I think I'm going to put a link in the description to all the commands and basically to that actual website as well. Let's see, what else do I got to go over? Other basic things, what I would consider you doing if you don't know any commands themselves is doing /help and /help2. This will show you all of your commands that you can use on the server. AFK shows you if you're away from keyboard. Balance or money, which is another command you can do as well in this area. We'll show you how much money you have. Balance top shows how much money everybody has, basically. And this is all the money that you have on your person. You have to store your emeralds in chests or in your town bank. Then the only way to put money in your town bank is with Towny commands. Help, of course, we just did. List is all the players online. The mail system is kind of easy to use and kind of not. You'll figure it out over time. /me is an emotion. Emote, whatever. MOTD, message of the day. Right now I really don't have very much listed in there. You also see it every single time you log in. /message will send a private message to the player. You type /message. Player's name, and then message. So blah, 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 blah. And name would be the actual name of the player. /pay would be if you want to pay a player a certain amount of money, pay, name, that much monies. /rules, show you the rules, and suicide will kill you, just in case you're in a spot you can't get out of. Okay, some features I need to go over real fast is Lockette. Any place where you can build, you can place a chest, which of course I can't build here because I'm a normal player right now. We're going to leave the town limits here. Now we're in the wilderness. If you place a chest in the wilderness or in a town that you own and place a sign on it, you basically lock that chest. Oop. If you add another sign to it, good thing I put that there, you can make it accessible to everyone. All of the people that can access your chests can be added to these lists. As you can tell, if you right click onto the sign, this pops up, sign selected. Use line number, text, whatever. If you want to add people to your sign, do that command. Lockette line number 3 will be right under my name, Black Steel. You'd want to add that next person's name. And you could do the same with this one. And you can edit everyone to not be everyone, or add more people, whatever. The sort. Oops, wrong tool. There we go. You can also, since we're on that subject, you can also lock these things in this game. Your chest, your furnaces, and your doors. I think there's a few other things that you can do as well, but I'm not going to get into that. Go to the Lockette wiki for it, or bucket. Just Google it. Those are just basic commands. I'm getting inside safety here. Hi, noob. Oh, he's the guy who came up with the name for the city. Okay. Another thing, it's very something new with this server that most people don't know yet, is that we have a security zone. And inside of the security zone, which we are currently standing in, it's an 800 by that way, by that way, by that way. Basically, 800 blocks from 0, 0, 0. Within that 800, within that basically 1600 by 1600 rectangle or square, all your kills are logged. So if you ever kill a player, you are marked as a criminal. The mods on this server, the moderators, have to go and find you and basically jail you. There's no commands for it for them. They actually have to find you and hit you with a stick. Boom, boom, boom. So you do have the ability to hide. You do have the ability to kill players, not inside towns that have PvP disabled, but you do have the ability to kill players. I don't recommend it because basically we go on like huge hunts for players, and we can potentially see you on the map if you're exposed to daylight or moonlight, of course. If you're exposed to the sky, we can see you on the map. So we'll go out and hunt you down. When you are jailed, you are put in the jail, which is under spawn. Actually, it's right under here. It's kind of why I put this here. It's down under here. The only way to get out of jail is to mine 50 emeralds blocks from down there, and those emeralds are cashed in at the end. Once you go up to the platform in the jail, you are automatically released, teleported back out here, and all your stuff is given back to you. Before you were jailed, those emeralds you do not get to keep. They go back into the economy, into here, basically, whenever you sell stuff to these guys. So, I'm going to go over Towny prices real fast. Prices. Currently, this is the town I live in's upkeep, so don't worry about that. A lot of people have been giving me complaints. Anyways, to start a new town, it costs 100 emeralds. You have to have them on your person, on your player at all times. Not at all times, but to use them, you have to have them on your player, not in a chest. It will only count towards you actually having the money if they're in your inventory. A new nation is 500. Town upkeep per day is actually 5 emeralds. The town that I'm in is actually a rank above this a one-person town. So it's actually 10 emeralds. Every single rank that the towns increase, it multiplies. I mean, it adds an extra 5 emeralds to the upkeep per day. And these are the rest, basically. And same with the nations. It's actually an extra 25 per day for nations, all that stuff. But there's no nations yet, and you can look it up on the website, how that all works. That's basically it. Up here we have one of the buildings actually has a full crafting station in it. You can get level 30 from here. Not crafting, but enchanting station. These guys will eventually sell things, or you can sell things to them. This town will be expanding, and whenever the admins get a chance to do it, meaning me. But basically, come on. We'll meet you here. Just go ahead and go out, get stuff, sell it, start your towns, do whatever you want. I look forward to seeing you guys, and have a good day.